Truly inspiring. We are so proud of them. It was a delight to watch our kids' performance. I hope you all have enjoyed their performance as much as we did. Now let's move on to the next part of our program, lamp lighting. This lamp lighting is a timeless tradition that illuminizes wisdom and knowledge. I'm truly honored to invite all our dignitaries to join us today for this special moment. I would like to invite all our esteemed guests, our chief guest, Sri P. Ganesham Garu, our respected DEO Sir, Sri Somashekar Sharma Garu, Srimati Geeta Watts Garu, a distinguished educationist from Australia, Sri V. Nagabhushanam Garu, Srimati Bharti Garu and Srimati Saubhagyam Garu. Please join us for the lamp lighting.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः चक्रवृद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योते नमोस्तुते दीपज्योते नमोस्तुते दीपज्योति आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योते नमोस्तुते दीपज्योते नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीप नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं